What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video I'm going to show you that I got another dividend payment. Actually, this is my first dividend payment with this particular company. It's a small one, but the beauty of getting dividend payments is that this will continue to grow over time the more I invest, and even when I reinvest the dividend payment back into that particular company. So that's what I'll be showing you guys in this video. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I document and show you my investment journey, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So feel free to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I have a recording going on right now with my iPhone. I'm gonna touch on Robinhood here, and I'm already logged in. So just to show you guys where my portfolio is at the making of this particular video, last week was a very, very bad week for me. Today is not so bad. We're up $7,000 today. For the week, I'm still down. Well, for the week just started, but for last week was not very good. As you guys can see, there was a huge dip right here where I was down. Let's see here. I was down $17,000. And so once again, today I'm at $176,000, which is pretty good. For the 3-month mark, I'm at $22,000. For the 1-year mark, I'm at $14,000. And for the all-time, which is, I shouldn't count it. But for all time, I am $18,000 down. But that's okay. I'm investing, and I'm going to get in the green, and I'm going to be in the green all the way across the board. And the beauty of it is that you guys will see that. You guys will see where I am right now, and you'll see when I'm going to be eventually in the green overall all the way across the board. Anyway, I got a dividend payment here, and it's a small one. So right there, you see that my buying power is $19.26. That means that I got a dividend payment for $14.26, and I'll show you guys right here. It's with this company right here, Armour Residential REIT. This particular company, at the time that I got the dividend payment, I didn't have as many shares as I have now. Right now, you guys can see I have 625 shares right now, but at the time that I got the dividend payment, I had less. So I'll click on it. You guys see history right here. I'll click on where it says ARR dividend, and that was for $14.26. At the time that they decided who was going to get paid dividends, I had 142.59 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share. That's why I got $14.26. Now, this company does pay dividends monthly, so I'm really excited. That is my very first dividend payment from them. But the next time I get a payment, I'm going to have 625 shares. Well, I'll probably have 626 shares because I'm going to take the money and reinvest. So let's do 625 for now times 10 cents. That's going to be a dividend payment of $62.50. And I'm going to take that money and reinvest it back into the company. So once again, you guys can see I have 625.97 shares. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to reinvest this back into the company right now with you guys. I'm going to set it up to make a purchase in the morning. So I'm going to click on buy, and then I will just buy in dollars, and I'll buy in $14.26. So I'm leaving $5 because $5 is for Robinhood Gold. They charge $5 a month. And so I'm going to leave $5 in the account. So I'll click on review, then I'll scroll up to submit. Now, it's not going to fill the order right now because the market is closed as far as I know. So yeah, once again, it's telling me my estimated amount will be 1.17 shares, and I'm going to be spending $14.26. So that's exactly what the dividend payment was. That's going to be reinvested back into this account. So it will be filled. Right now it says there's an upcoming activity. It will be filled when the market is open. But the beauty of these dividend payments, you guys, is that once you start to get these payments are pretty much going to be rolling in over time. And just to kind of show you guys, to, I guess maybe serve as a little motivation, I'll show you guys, let's see if I can show you guys some dividends here. Okay, I guess I can't show you because it's a brand new year. No, it's not a brand new year. Let me see if I can find it. So let's click on show more, then I'll click dividends. So as you guys can see, starting at the very top of the screen, you see that I have some pending dividends coming in. I have a dividend payment from PSEC. I have a dividend payment from Exxon. I have a dividend payment coming from AGNC. And this is pretty exciting. You guys can see there I have a dividend payment coming on March 3rd. I'm sorry, March 9th, March 10th, and March 18th. This is really, really cool. And of course, I'm going to share videos. For the last 30 days, you can see that I've gotten dividend payments starting back in January 31st, February 1st, February 9th, February 12th, February 16th, February 26th. This is some exciting stuff, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys that just because you need to understand and see the power of dividend payments. And what's going to happen is, even though I'm down overall right now, there's going to come a time when my dividend payments that I've received over years, that alone is going to help put me in the green. And so I'm really excited about that. But I wanted to just make this video and show you guys yet again, I got another dividend payment. And this time it was with the company Armour Residential REIT. And it's a REIT, so they pay, most REITs pay monthly. So that is really cool. I like to get the dividend payments monthly because it's exciting. So anyway, I wanted to do that really quick video and show you guys that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Also, smash the thumbs up video. It helps the channel tremendously, and share this video, this content, this channel with somebody that's going to benefit. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.